putting a new valve stem into a tire means that I've got to break the tire down off the bead, put the new valve stem in, put the tire back on the bead. It's a lot of extra work. So I bought this little thing. This is an AME quick change tire valve tool 51025, and it claims I can change a tire valve in 10 seconds. So we're going to give this little guy a try. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like $25. I also bought a mountain of valve stems, because if this works really good, then I might just go crazy with this. This is kind of the key to the whole thing. It's basically a funnel, bigger on this end and smaller on this end, and the whole point is that you put it over where your valve core or your valve stem is going, and then you slam this thing down in, and it squeezes it and pops it in from the outside without breaking the bead. So let's give it a try. Essentially, what we're supposed to do is take this, hold it over that, take this with the valve stem threaded into the end, and I've got just some soapy water mixed up. Spray a little on there, and spray a little in there. Hold this over here, and then try it again. Third time's charm, right? I don't feel like it should take that much force. Let's try the other wheel. I don't know about this thing. Chamfer that top edge a little bit so that it's more keen on sliding right down in. Let's try that. Alright, let's try this. Hey, that popped in. Now we should be able to take this and kind of work it back up into where it's seated, right there. And then unscrew this. That should do it. Let's put some air in it, see if it leaks. Okay, we got almost 50 psi in there, which is what it's rated for. No leak. Okay, so maybe that's our trick. These trailer tires might have just a not quite ideal shaping to that hole. Maybe it's not the same as you would have in an automotive tire. So let's try the same thing on this one. Now this one I can see it. It looks like there is a visible burr there. So let's try that on this one. Try it again with the chamfer there. Pops right in. Let's let's see if we can get this one to seal up nice. Look at that, popped right back out. And then we just have to spin this guy off. Well, I guess I spoke too soon. This seems like a pretty awesome setup. I got leaks where it was in the mud though. 90 psi. Whew. I think I'm going to go quite that high because I got leaks. This one was off the bead before. But its stem isn't leaking now, so I don't know. I call that a success. Didn't even need the hammer. I may look into getting a better handle for this. Get like an aluminum handle or something. Make it a little bit nicer. And we'll look into coming up with a way to make a heavier duty version of one of these. Something that's metal. But there you go. It does work. Just these little trailer tires aren't the most cooperative, it seems. So there we go. Thanks for watching.